From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, student meteorologist Scott Belin here with your forecast for today. Taking a live look here at Beaver Stadium, we're seeing temperatures sitting right around 50 degrees, a little bit lower at 48 degrees. Mostly cloudy, it's looking like overcast conditions. The temperatures, however, are a lot warmer compared to yesterday. We're seeing almost double-digit increases across the board. Up here, almost 10 here in State College. Only Williamsport's looking like that's still only a 4-degree temperature change. It's really not getting too much warmer. Taking a look at the feels like almost spot on the actual temperatures across the board, indicating those lower wind speeds, which should be nice compared to the windy weeks we've had. However, just because those wind speeds are low, do not get fooled by these possible wind gusts. As we're seeing later today, 20-mile-an-hour wind gusts here in State College, even though we should have a relatively calm wind day. Moving on to Saturday, those wind gusts are going to start to get even more extreme, peaking in the 40s down the southwestern part of the state. Throughout the day, they're going to stay relatively high in the mid-30 gusts, with actual wind speeds sitting around 7 to 15 mile an hour. These wind speeds are going to continue, it looks like, throughout the day before clearing out Saturday overnight. Sunday, these wind speeds might return, though, as that system comes in. Here's the system today. We might get some scattered rain showers this evening and overnight, but the big kicker is going to be this weekend as the system moves through our state and starts to sit on top of us Sunday and Monday. Here's Saturday. We're seeing the rain start to come in a little bit more scattered. Not quite any real bands that we're seeing stick over us here in State College. But as I said, getting into Sunday, we're seeing this move from the western part of the state over the entire state. Around 8:30 in the morning is when we're going to see those first rain showers start to kick in. Throughout the rest of the day Sunday, it's going to travel across the state, bringing consistent rain showers throughout. Here's the GFS look of that storm I was talking about. Here we are Sunday, we're seeing almost the entire state covered. And Monday is also staying right on top of us, so Sunday and Monday expect this long, rainy storm. Seeing a little bit of those mixed precipitations too in the northwest, so something to keep an eye on. Wednesday, we should get a nice break, but here's this system that should traverse over Ohio on Tuesday, and bring a little bit of that rain Wednesday and Thursday again. Looking at today, we're seeing 56 degrees with those increasing clouds. Tonight, a chance of those rain showers, but pretty consistently in the 50s with only 53 degrees. Tomorrow, we're seeing a much needed warm-up, 75 degrees. Should be a beautiful day here in State College with a little chance of those showers throughout, but hopefully it doesn't disrupt the sunshine. Taking a look here at the 7-day, as I said, today and tomorrow, a chance of those rain showers, but relatively nice. Sunday and Monday, that big rainstorm starts to come in and sit on top of the Commonwealth. Nice break on Tuesday, but then as I mentioned, Wednesday and Thursday, looks like we're getting another system move in through the area. Thank you for listening. I'm Scott Belin.